Hello guys, start with the greatest memory dialogue is the most merciful and beneficial. I hope you are fit and fine class fellows. So today is our presentation and my name is Vishal from class 7th. So my presentation topic is importance of time management. So time is important for our life. You manage your time on your work. And number second, the time is decided who is right and who is wrong. Time is important thing because time our set our set our work. Time set time set our life. Sometimes happiness, sometimes love, and sometimes grief, sometimes cry. Time is the time is the thing that we can know about time. Such as time is our life. Not to waste your time, not waste your time and complete your important tasks. Sometimes people waste on time on other works. So not waste your time on other works. So one quotation on time management. Uh, Time is slow when you late. Yeah, wait. Time is fast when you late. Time is short when you are happy. Time is endless when you invest time. So thank you.